Okay guys, so I have the Custom Dynamics Probeam LED turn signals that I'm going to install on my 2018 Road Glide Ultra. So stick around, let's do this. Okay guys, before we get started, let's see what they look like in the on position. Just a before and after. Alright, now let's do the signals. Let's get these installed and see the difference.
Alright guys, take the lens off. There's a little notch right there. You want to carefully put a flathead screwdriver in there and just kind of pop it off. Alright, lens is off. And to take the bulb out, you simply push in and turn counterclockwise. And then just note, see these little tabs right here and right here. Look, that still has grease on it. That's how new this bike is. Which is, how old is it? It's almost 2 years. In October it will be 2 years when I got it. Anyway, see the little tab? That one is lower than that one. And it came out like this. That's how you want to put the new one. Alright, set that aside. Alright, and now on this one, can you see this? Okay, so that tab is lower than that side. So that's how you want to install it in here. Put it in and turn the opposite way. If I could do this without damaging any of the wires. It's kind of tight. Okay, it's in there. Now, I could just sit there for a minute. On here on the lens, there's some writing, and right below it there's a little notch out. You want that facing down, so if water does happen to seep in there, it has a place to drain out. Pretty simple. And there's a lot of wire here, so you just spin the lens or the light itself until it's coiled up in there nice and neat. Oh, I just bonked the gasket and it came loose, so I want to make sure that's nice and flat. You don't want it all pinched up or anything. You want it nice and flat for a good seat. I am not one of those girls that have fingernails to use, so I gotta see what I can do here. Okay. Wind it back up. Like so. Again, have that tab, the little notch at the bottom, and you press it on. Like, voila, it is done. That's simple. And we are going to test it out. Pretty. Some daytime running lights and signal.
Alright, time to move to the other side.
Well, that was easy. Okay. Okay, now that the lens is off, you push the bulb in and counterclockwise to pull it out. Okay, just the opposite. Put it in and turn it. Voila.
Okay guys, there you go. A quick little mod for your bike, the Custom Dynamics LED turn signals. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, hit that like button, and smash the bell to be notified. Until next time, Enjoy the ride.